In this video, we're going to set up a Snowflake ODBC connection to SKUtrak DataShare. First thing we need to do is search for the Snowflake ODBC driver, download it. I just search for Snowflake installing ODBC driver Windows, keywords on Google, and the top hit will take you to the place where you can find the download. Snowflake 32-bit ODBC driver, almost always. Download that. It's not big, won't take long. Run the MSI, and the install is literally just a case of hitting next, next, next. Nothing to configure during the install. Eventually, it finishes, and now we have the driver installed. We need to create our ODBC data source. So from the start menu, ODBC data sources, 32-bit again, if you've installed the 30-bit driver, and click Add on the user data source. Right down the bottom, search for the Snowflake driver, a long name, hit Add, and now give your data source a name. It can be whatever you like, but typically you want to call it SKUtrak DataShare, but as I say, it can be anything you like. Something helpful. Now you need to enter your username, password, the server URL for your instance, which will have been provided by Atheon. So that'll be a set of numbers at the beginning, and then it's typically going to be .eu central, and it's always going to end in snowflakecomputing.com. That's the address of your SKUtrak DataShare database. Database is probably going to be called SKUtrak, and the schema public and warehouse WH reader, but that information will be provided by Atheon. Click OK, you're done. Click OK, now you have a data source created. Recap, find the ODBC driver, download it, run it, install it, run the Windows ODBC data source, create your user data source, enter your details, away you go.